Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw and color a super cute mermaid. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, I draw her big, sparkly eyes and a little button nose. Next, I draw her tiny ears, one on each side. On top of her head, I draw a seashell. What color do you think the seashell should be? Orange? Pink? Now, let's draw her hands. She's holding her face like this. So cute! Can you try making that pose too? Hands on your cheeks just like the mermaid. Next, I draw her mermaid tail. It's long and wavy and so beautiful. If you had a mermaid tail, what color would you want it to be? And now, just for fun, I'll add some little cat whiskers. This mermaid is super special. Now it's time to go over the lines with a black marker so everything stands out nice and clear. Let's start coloring. First, I use cream to color her cheeks under her eyes, so sweet. Then I color the seashell on her head orange. For her mermaid tail, I use dark purple. I add light purple for the rest of her tail. Do you like purple? It's a magical mermaid color. Finally, I color the bubbles with sky blue. Have you ever tried blowing bubbles underwater? It's tricky. Awesome job, everyone! If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Bye-bye.